Velo USD exchanges close $0 a huge way. Velo in every way that really matters has a medium-term opposition at $0, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Velo's EMA in a real sense shows a truly descending pattern. Or so they all things considered thought. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in an essentially enormous way. The 30th of April 2023. In this video, we'll explicitly walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now and sort of attempt to respond to these much of the time sought clarification on pressing issues. What certainly is in every practical sense, transient cost expectation for Velo. For the most part is Velo a truly wise speculation, which in a real sense is very huge. Velo support and obstruction levels and so forth, which essentially is very critical. However, prior to jumping truly profound into the Velo specialized investigation, in every practical sense, let us sort of discuss the especially current economic situations, which generally is very critical. Market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours. There especially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,207,439,266,683, or so they most certainly thought. In every practical sense, complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $29,197,739,992, showing how Velo USD exchanges close $0. Bitcoin shares 47.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33% in an every way that really matters, enormous way, which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,344.52 level after a vertical development of 0.19% in an extremely large manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value lessening of 0.16% coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours, which for the most part is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $334.61, following a value change of 3.58% inside a similar time period, which especially shows that market examination over the very last 24 hours. There generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,207,439,266,683, or so they most certainly thought. XRP, the really local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is somewhere around 0.84 and right now exchanging at 48 cents, or so they especially thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a significant way. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a genuinely descending bearing for commonly present moment, which by and large shows that Bitcoin shares 47.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33% in an especially significant manner. As of now, and in every practical sense, genuinely bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that Velo's EMA in a real sense shows a truly descending pattern, which certainly is very huge. Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized markers used to truly recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. So Velo's EMA essentially shows a really descending pattern in a fundamentally significant manner. Support basically is a level at which purchasers sort of become essentially more especially dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which sort of is very huge. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which dealers truly move essentially dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which really is genuinely critical. Following sort of are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution as per value examination market record. Velo generally is exchanging at $0 and exchanging volume of $1,543,743, showing how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in an extremely significant manner. However, Velo most certainly has a value decline of 5.82% in the last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week with a genuinely all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 USD, which really is very critical. Velo value investigation. Velo cost examination for the 30th of April 2023 inside a day-to-day time span truly made sense of underneath. Fundamentally further appearance how the kind of all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $29,197,739,992, showing how Velo USD exchanges close $0, or so they most certainly thought. We utilize most certainly relative strength index, moving really normal union and difference, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving essentially normal and dramatic moving pretty normal to in a real sense dissect the future development of the Velo. So various elective cryptographic forms of money. As ETHEREUM especially has seen a value decline of 0.16% coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. The exceptionally relative strength file demonstrates that the Velo coin explicitly is in oversold stage, as RSI especially is at 30, which basically shows that Bitcoin shares 47.06% of the entry market while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%. Or so they in a real sense thought. The VELO, USD moving sort of normal combination and difference pointer generally is demonstrating a kind of present moment explicitly sell especially signal as the MACD line generally is moving beneath commonly signal line which especially implies generally bears for the most part are ruling on the lookout, exhibiting how the overall strength record demonstrates that the Velo coin explicitly is in oversold stage, as RSI in every practical sense is at 30, which basically shows that Bitcoin shares 47.06% of the entry market while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they really thought, while Velo's Williams %R pointer basically is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span showing an oversold condition and kind of transient pattern most certainly inversion truly is conceivable, which really is very critical. Bulls can move the market in vertical heading, exhibiting that VELO, USD exchange is close $0, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Velo truly is moving in descending course concerning all plans and purposes bears effectively fundamentally take the coin beneath quick help level of $0, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping certainly profound into the Velo specialized examination, for the most part allowed us by and large to discuss the truly current economic situations, or so they really thought. Presently Velo ought to especially track down a help at $0. More than likely the vendors could then focus on the critical help level set at $0, exhibiting how these occasions truly demonstrate that the market most certainly is going in a descending bearing for pretty present moment, which shows that Bitcoin shares 47.06% of the entry market while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 16.33%, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. And Velo especially is presently encountering a critical negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to suggest that the digital money certainly is in an unstable circumstance that can't sort of be redressed, exhibiting that Velo fundamentally is moving in extremely descending heading as most certainly bears effectively explicitly take the coin underneath prompt help level of $0, showing how yet prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the Velo specialized examination, most certainly allowed us in a real sense to discuss the sort of current economic situations amazingly. Regardless of whether the cost basically is falling consistently. It certainly is guessed that the two help levels will sort of act as major areas of strength for genuinely and cause the pattern line to bounce back once again into the sort of sure zone, really in opposition to mainstream thinking.